All right, hello AP Computer Science students. Today is Thursday, December 3rd. Pretty straightforward. Today we are just going to be reviewing for Chapter 4. So if you come to class live, we'll just go over some questions together. If you are doing it with videos, there's just a review video for you in the folder for today. So basically, if you are not attending class live, just watch this video. And then for everybody, I would use the extra time to work on the practice test, right? And AP Site questions from Tuesday, right? Those are going to be due tomorrow, Friday, before the test. So you're going to want to do those just to be ready for the test. So this review won't take a super long time, and then just work on those assignments, getting ready. One final reminder too about the programs being due Sunday at midnight. So that's another thing you can be working on. And then just another reminder too, there is no live class tomorrow because it's Friday, so it's just you'll do the test on your own at your own pace sometime during the school hours of 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. Okay, that is all. Have a good day.